Ever wondered how people managed to keep their skin radiant and hair shiny before the advent of modern-day beauty products? Do you want to know some of the best tips and long-known beauty tricks that encompass natural ingredients from ancient Morocco? Just picture yourself indulging in dishes that have been hanging around for millennia, homespun by generations of Moroccan women. And today we are diving into the world of Moroccans, more specifically, ancient Moroccan natural beauty recipes that work. If you are sick of the complicated routines and harsh chemicals, look no further. Join us as we discover the wonders of these plain, plant-based products and how they could revolutionize your beauty routine. Well, pour some tea, get cozy, and here we go. Let me take you to Morocco all the way from your couch. How about a bit of background first? It is known for its rich culture, vibrant markets, and stunning natural landscapes. But did you know it's also home to some of the world's oldest beauty traditions? Moroccan women have been using these natural ingredients to take care of their skin and hair for a long time. The best part about these recipes are that they are tried and tested, made out of things you have in your kitchen or can grab from a nearby store. And the best part? You can make them a ton of different ways, and they are not too harsh on your body. So here is our first recipe, Moroccan Ghusl clay mask. Rasoul clay, also known as Ghusl clay, comes from the Atlas Mountains and is extremely rich in minerals. They are using it for cleansing their skin and hair as a natural one for thousands of years. To make your own Ghusl clay mask at home, first, get some Ghusl clay. You can find it in online or specialty stores. In a bowl, add 2 spoons of the dried clay. If needed to make a smooth paste, add enough warm water. You can also add 1 teaspoon rose water or a few drops of argan oil for further benefits. Mix everything well until creamed together. Spread it on your face while avoiding the eyes and mouth. Allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. You will notice it tightening as it dries. Wash it off using warm water and gently dry your skin. This will leave your skin clean, soft, and refreshed. This is a natural glow mask used by the Moroccan brides mostly before their wedding day. Argan oil, also famously named liquid gold in Morocco. Argan oil comes from the argan nut, which only grows in Morocco. It is high in vitamin E and other antioxidants, as well as healthy fats. Moroccan women use it from head to toe, literally. To moisturize hair, apply a few drops of argan oil in your hands and apply it to the lengths of your hair. Apply it on your scalp and through the hair ends. Massage it well. Shampoo well and leave it on for 30 minutes or even overnight to deep condition. Wash your hair as usual. It will add shine and smooth flyaways so your hair is softer than before. It can also be used on the face, just 1 or 2 drops to moisturize. Particularly good if you have dry or sensitive skin. Let us move to a traditional Moroccan exfoliator, the Kessa glove and black soap. So, if you want smooth glowing skin, then you have to give this a try. Black soap, also known as Moroccan black soap or Beldi soap, is a type of much more emollient, soft paste soap product from the Western Maghreb. It has a mild smell and is a dark, thick paste. Here's how to use it. First, open your pores by taking a hot shower or bath. Then, massage a little black soap onto all of your body while your skin is moist. Just wait for another 5 to 10 minutes. Next, grab a Kessa glove, which is an exfoliating mitt, and gently scrub your skin in circular motions. It comes off in clumps of dead skin, which is satisfying in a very, very strange way. Rinse off with warm water. Your skin will be super smooth and baby soft. This is a tradition in the Moroccan hammam, or bathhouse. Another favorite Moroccan product is rose water. Rose water is produced by distilling rose petals. It's soft, comforting, and smells really great. Moroccan women use it all over the place, as a toner, a makeup remover, and even as a hair rinse. You can use it as a toner by pouring some rose water onto a cotton pad and swiping it across your face after cleansing. It balances out your skin and creates a fresh feeling on the face. It also can be sprayed on your face whenever you want. For tired eyes, soak 2 cotton pads in rose water and keep them on your eyes for about 10 minutes. It's such a convenient way to calm down and depuff. Next comes the hair mask of henna and yogurt from Morocco. We all know that henna is used for hair coloring, but its use can also help in strengthening the scalp and conditioning. Here's a basic recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of henna powder to enough yogurt to make a thick paste. Include a teaspoon of olive oil for moisture as needed. Wash your hair, rub in, and apply the mixture on your hair, concentrating on the roots as well as the ends. Put a shower cap on your head and keep it on for 30 to 45 minutes. Shampoo your hair like you normally would afterward. Your hair will be more resilient, smoother, and shinier. But if you do not desire a color, go for neutral henna. That is, love bacteria-free and completely conditions. Moroccan Beauty Lip Scrub. Try out this simple recipe. Especially given the dry climate of Morocco, this is extremely common. So, you just combine a single tablespoon of sugar with 3 drops of argan oil and a bit of honey. Then, massage the mixture into your lips in a circular motion for about a minute. After that, rinse off with warm water. This will give you soft, smooth lips, just perfect for applying your best lip balm. Do you think these recipes are safe for all? Many of these are natural and mild ingredients, but it never hurts to do a patch test. Consult your doctor if you suffer from allergies or sensitive skin before using any new products. Let's do a quick recap. Our featured deep cleansing with Gasoul clay mask reduces hair fall and frizz at the same time it nourishes your hair and skin with argan oil benefits. If you want to take your hammam routine up a notch, try using black soap and kessa glove, rose water to tone and calm, henna and yogurt hair mask for strength and shine, a lip scrub and this standby aid for tender lips. We have just created recipes that were simple to make and budget-friendly. Make sure you use quality ingredients you know and trust. If you thought these ancient Moroccan beauty recipes were fascinating to learn about, leave me a comment. Have you tried any of these before? Please share your experience if you have. And if you liked the video, if it was helpful, hit that like button. Share it with your friends that might find it helpful. Subscribe so as not to miss out on any of our upcoming videos about ancient beauty tips from around the globe. Thanks for tuning in, and well, the best kept beauty secret is sometimes the oldest. See you in the next video.